hearts, marching with dreams. Schools and hospitals planting the seeds. In 1885, up in Zeller came Paichai School, a brand new name. Boys learned science, English too. A brighter world began to bloom. In 1886, the door swung wide. Mary Scranton stood with pride. Ewha Yonsei for girls so bright, learning to read, to heal, to write. Seeds of light we carry on. Schools and dreams from dusk till dawn. Seeds of love forever true. They built a path for me and you. Beheard in Pyongyang, raised Sung-sul high, faith and learning side by side. Jongdong rang with children's song, a Methodist dream growing strong. Chongshin trained the hearts to lead, planting churches, sowing seeds. Yonghee College rose with pride, Underwood's light will never hide. Seeds of light we carry on. Schools and dreams from dusk till dawn. Seeds of love forever true. They built a path for me and you. Gwangyaiwan healed the broken lands. Dr. Allen with healing hands. Severance rose with caring arms, saving lives through storms and harm. Pyongyang Union shining north. Daegu's care poured blessings forth. Severance and Yonhee joined as one. Yonsei's light shines like the sun.